Hi and welcome to Wally 500 EA. In today's video I'm going to show you on how to install your Expert Advisor EA to your MT4. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to locate where your EA robot is. If you had purchased the Wally 500 EA, you should be able to receive an email from us with the MT4 file similar to this. So what you're going to have to do is download the file. You can save it. And in this case, I'm just going to put it down in the desktop. Open the folder. Let's minimize everything. And there you have it. So next, let's minimize that. Open your MT4. In this case, I am running the XM. And then what you're going to have to do is open the navigator. And once you open that, click the file, open folder. Then you go to MQL4, double click that, go to Experts, double click that, and then you go back to your previous folder, which is here, where your EA is located. You double click on that one, well, single click on that one, press copy, go back to this previous folder, and then paste it. There you are. Close this. You can close that now. Next thing is, you click anywhere here, click on that one. What you gotta do is just refresh. Just wait. There you have it.